Good morning everyone. Today, we will be doing a short reaction video. This video is all about investigating the effect of concentration on the rate of chemical reaction using vinegar and baking soda. Objective: to explore how changing the concentration of baking soda affects the rate of the chemical reaction with vinegar.
Hello everyone! For today's video, we're gonna make some experiment. What will happen if the baking soda and vinegar mix together? We have here our materials that we need. First, we have baking soda, vinegar, clear glasses, measuring cup, measuring spoon, and a timer. Now we're going to put 1/4 cup of vinegar on each glass. On the first glass, we're going to add 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. On the second glass, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda.
This is our short explanation. When mixing 1 tablespoon of baking soda with vinegar, the chemical reaction is essentially complete within a matter of seconds. You will see immediate fizzing and bubbling as the carbon dioxide gas is released, indicating the reaction is happening very quickly. On the other hand, when mixing a 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda with vinegar, the reaction to complete the baking soda concentration typically happens within a few seconds. Most of the visible bubbling and gas release occurs almost immediately upon mixing. The key difference is that mixing a full tablespoon of baking soda will produce a significantly more vigorous fizzing reaction due to the greater amount of carbon dioxide gas released compared to the smaller amount produced when using a 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. Essentially, the more baking soda you add, the more pronounced the reaction with vinegar will be. Discussion question number 1. How does changing the concentration of baking soda affect the rate of chemical reaction with vinegar? Our answer: the rate of reaction would increase by adding more baking soda. This is because when baking soda is added, it is actually dissolving and reacting with the acetic acid. Adding more baking soda increased the concentration of bicarbonate in solution, a reactant. Question number 2. Can you explain the mechanism behind the reaction between vinegar and baking soda? Our answer is, when vinegar or acetic acid and baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, they undergo a chemical reaction called an acid-base reaction, where the hydrogen ions from the vinegar react with the bicarbonate ion from the baking soda, producing carbon dioxide gas, water, and sodium acetate as the primary products. This results in visible bubbling and fizzing due to the released carbon dioxide gas. Question number 3. How might this experiment be modified to investigate other factors that affect the rate of the reaction? Our answer is, to investigate other factors affecting reaction rate, you could modify the experiment by changing the temperature surface area of the reactants by altering particle size, concentration of reactants varying the amount of one reactant while keeping others constant, or by adding a catalyst to observe its impact on the reaction speed, while keeping all other variables controlled in each, that to isolate the effect of the manipulated factor. Conclusion: I therefore conclude that increasing the concentration of either reactant, vinegar, or baking soda leads to a faster reaction rate, as evidenced by more vigorous bubbling and quicker gas production, due to an increased number of reactants or particles available for collisions, aligning with the collision theory. So this is our finished output. Thank you for watching.